Our last full day in Hawaii. Kyle's going to try to surf today.
Surf and turf, and then I want a shaved ice, the rainbow.
Okay. Anything else?
I'll do the taco plate and the water.
What kind of tacos?
Let's do the steak.
Okay. $33.09.
Alright, you have to indulge me today. Since you're surfing and maybe parasailing tomorrow. That was surfing. Good. Get up. And that's the riveting commentary from Kyle. $5,000 vacation, that's what I get. Good.
So between the yellow shrimp truck, the shaved ice, and the multicolored helicopter flying around, it really feels like we're in an episode of Hawaii Five-0 or Magnum PI. Before we head to the airport, we thought we would try to squeeze in one more fun activity. So Kyle and I are going to try parasailing. One of the things we wanted to do but didn't have time for was go on a whale watching tour. Luckily, we were able to see some whales while parasailing. Before we took off, they asked us if we wanted to get wet. Kyle said yes, and I said no. I guess they listened to Kyle. I still owe him for that. And with the end of parasailing, also comes the end of our impromptu Hawaiian vacation. It's probably for the best as Hawaii starts to implement more lockdowns and quarantines because of COVID-19. All that's left for us to do is to grab some food, head back to the hotel, pack our bags, and head to the airport. We're sad to be leaving Hawaii, but we can't be too sad. We left home, Hawaii wasn't even in the plans. Considering everything that's going on in the world, and that we changed our destination from South Carolina to Hawaii while driving to the airport, I'd say we had a pretty good spring break and can't wait to someday come back to Hawaii and explore more of the islands and things we didn't get to see. But until then, thanks for watching as we do it across America.